subscribe with notifications on.
Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. Mr. K's Travel Club. Today we decided to go out just a bit. It's in the evening, and I know in South Africa right now it's past 1. It's after 1 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon, but here it's late in the evening. It's almost to 7 in the evening, right? So this is how the place looks like, guys. We're booked in here. Such a lovely place. You've got such a wonderful apartments there. All these are apartments, right? They call it a condo, Blossom Condo. This is Blossom Condo. You can search it on YouTube or also on booking.com. Blossom Condo. You'll get it here for about a loft. You can get a loft here for about 450 rand per night. You know, such a wonderful place. And here they've got a massage house where you can come and have a massage. It's such a beautiful place. So when you go out, you see, let me just check what's happening here. Right. It's a massage open. All right, it is open. Yeah, it is still open. Right. So you want to do some massage. They're open from 1 o'clock until 11 o'clock. All right. Such a beautiful place. And these are post boxes. I think these are flats. You know, yeah, these are also apartments. Right. So they've got beautiful blocks, sections and sections and sections. You know, such a beautiful place. You know, these are also lifts there. You enter there, you go to another section. So each and every block has got its own lifts, right? Even this section, I think there is also lifts here. Each and every block has got its own lift. Yeah, that's right. So that's it. You see, that's it. It's such a wonderful place. So, I mean, 450 rand per night. How much is 450 rand per night? In dollars, it's how much? Let's say $20-something. 20, 30, no, 20, yeah, 20, yeah, 20-some, 25, something like $25. Right. These are, you know, you can see here, it's a beautiful place. And also here, you can see also here. As you look here, you come here as well. And also here, there's a place where you can do massage in here. You can see there, right? And also here, you can do massage as well there, right? So it's such a beautiful place. You can actually see there, right? So if you come upstairs here, you see there, you are going to see the pool and the gym, where the gym and the pool is, right? So if you look at here, as I told you before, on this section, it's also apartments as well, this side, right? So I'll show you guys the other side of the apartment. So this other part is also another block of the apartment, right? And there is also 2 blocks. I think it's 2 blocks. As on the other side, it's 1 block, and this side is also 1 block, right? So we're now going to here. It's also a just the job. It's they sell coffee and it's everyday coffee and cafe, right? So you can come and have something like maybe a snack or drink and some wine and so forth. Yeah, you can buy yourself something to drink as well, right? So, but you know, if you go up here, you see on top here, there is also blocks of apartments as well. All this is all apartments. Such a beautiful place, right? Beautiful place, and as well as on top here, also apartments as well, right? So if you look at I'm gonna go with you. Right. If you look here, right. If you look here, I'm gonna come now. If you look here, it's a gym, right? It's a gym, right? And this side, it's a swimming pool. Where is the kids? They went back. Oh, yeah. Right. So here is a swimming pool, guys. They've got such a beautiful swimming pool, right? Such a beautiful swimming pool, right? As you can see, the place is so beautiful, guys. So beautiful, especially at night. Such a beautiful place. At night, such a beautiful place. So everyone is swimming at night. Everyone is swimming at night, but it's such a beautiful place. And there's also a thing. So you can see here also, you know, here's the stairs. You can also climb, getting here and to get into the pool, right? Get into the pool. That's how it is, guys. That's how it is. It's such a beautiful place. And like I said, it's only $22 per night. $22 per night. It's not a bad place. You know, $22 per night is such a beautiful, you know, you can, you know, always come and have a wonderful time together with your family and relax there and so forth, right? So as you can see here, right? Let me go to the other side so you can see the other side. So you can see the other side as well. There is also a section for the gym, right? The gym. And as you can see, there's got such a beautiful, and they've got such a beautiful, also beautiful a garden as well. See, beautiful garden. So the facilities is very good. Facilities is very good, guys. Very good facility. You know, very good, beautiful facilities as well, and so forth. You can always come and have some time. And here is a gym. Here is a gym. You can always, you know, inside here, see how beautiful the gym is and so forth. It's such a beautiful place, you know. As you can see here, people are gymming, you know, everyone is taking, is actually exercising, right? So, right, isn't that nice, guys? Just to go out sometimes, you know, with your family. I mean, $22 per night, it's not that bad. Such a beautiful place, right? So if you look at here, let me see this other side. I'm not sure what is this side. All right. This is another side. If you look at the gym inside, they've got such a nice, beautiful facility. Right. And this is also another section. I think here you go down. Yeah, here you go down. I'm not sure where it's taking you to, but you go down there. So this place has got lovely, you know, condos. So they call it Blossom Condo. Such a beautiful place. They call it Blossom Condo. Such a beautiful place. Everything. See, everywhere it's a condo. It's beautiful. Right. And here, if you check here also, it's another place, right? It's another place. And here it's wash and dry. I think this is laundry. Wash and dry and drinking water, ironing, and so forth. So if you want to maybe iron your clothes, you want to do washing and so forth, you can always come here. Drinking water, ironing, and so forth. I think they can do your laundry as well, right? So as you can see here, right? So let's move to another section, right? So as you can check here, this is another section, right? So now you come here, right? You come here, you are able to sit here and relax with your family. You know, this is a lovely place. It's also good, you know, nice place to relax, you know, with your family. You know, this is beautiful. At night, you know, it's so beautiful, right? So beautiful at night, right? So, but anyway, as time goes, guys, I will keep you posted. You know, as time goes, it is such a beautiful place. Beautiful place. You see how beautiful it is at night. The kids are about to swim there. They are swimming there, about to swim. Such a beautiful place, and so forth. Right. So, guys, I'll keep you posted. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please hit the button subscribe to the channel so we can you can see our videos as the next time we post videos, guys, as time goes. We'll keep you posted, guys. Thank you so much. Right. Thank you.